Dear parents and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing some important ninth class science chapter number 4 middle question answers, that is structure of the atom. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 47. What are canal rays? Right answer, canal rays are positively charged radiations that can pass through perforated cathode plate. These rays consist of positively charged particles known as protons. Question number 2. If an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not? Right answer, an electron is a negatively charged particle, whereas a proton is positively charged particles. The magnitude of their charges is equal to. Therefore, an atom containing one electron and one proton will not carry any charge. Thus, it will be a neutral atom. Page number 49. On the basis of Thomas model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. Right answer, as per Thomson model of the atom, an atom consists of both negative and positive charges which are equal in number and magnitude, so they balance each other, as a result of which atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Next question. On the basis of Rutherford's model of an atom, which subatomic particle is present in the nucleus of an atom? On the basis of Rutherford's model of an atom, protons are present in the nucleus of an atom. Third question. Draw a sketch of Bohr's model of an atom with 3 shells. Middle is nucleus. Nucleus is surrounded to the electrons. It has K cell, L, M. Next question. What do you think would be the observation if the alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out using a foil of a metal other than gold? Right answer, if alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out using a foil of a metal as thin as gold foil used by Rutherford, there would be no change in observation. But since other metals are not so malleable, so such a thin foil is difficult to obtain. If we use a thick foil, then more alpha particles would bounce back, and no idea about the location of positive mass in the atom would be available with such a certainty. Next question. Name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. The 3 subatomic particles of an atom are proton, electron, and neutron. Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4 units and 2 protons in its nucleus, How many neutrons does it have? Right answer, number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass minus number of protons. Therefore, the number of neutrons in atoms is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atoms. The total number of electrons in a carbon atom is 6. The distribution of electron in carbon atom is given by first orbit k cell 2 electrons, second orbit L cell has 4 electrons, or we can write the distribution of electrons in the carbon atom as 2 4. Total number of electrons in a sodium atom is L1. The distribution of electron in sodium atom is given by first orbit k cell 2 electrons, second orbit L cell 8 electrons, third orbit M cell 1 electrons. We can write distribution of electrons in a sodium atoms as 2 8 1. Next question, if K and L cells of an atom are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in the atoms? Right answer, the maximum capacity of K cell is 2 electrons and L cell can accommodate maximum 8 electrons in it. Therefore, there will be 10 electrons in the atom. In page number 52 in text question answers, first question, how will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? Right answer, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom of an electron is less than or equal to 4, then the valency of the element is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. On the other hand, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom of an element is greater than 4, then the valency of that element is determined by subtracting the number of electrons in the outermost shell from it. The distribution of electron in chlorine, sulfur and magnesium atoms are 287, 286 and 282 respectively. Therefore, the number of electrons in the outermost shells of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium atoms are 7, 6 and 2 respectively. Thus, the valency of chlorine 8 minus 7, 1, valency of sulfur 8 minus 6, 2, valency of magnesium 2. If number of electrons in an atom is 8 and number of protons is also 8, then what is the atomic number of atoms and what is the charge on the atom? Right answer, the atomic number is equal to the number of protons, therefore the atomic number of the atom is 8. Since the number of both electrons and protons is equal, therefore the charge on the atom is 0. With the help of table 4.1, find out the mass number of oxygen and sulfur atoms. Mass number of oxygen equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. 8 plus 8, 16. Mass number of sulfur is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. 16 plus 16, 32. Page number 56, question answers. For the symbol H, D and T, tabulate 3 subatomic particles found in each of the atom. Right answer, symbol hydrogen having 1 proton, no neutron, 1 electron. Deuterium, protium, deuterium 1 proton, 1 neutron, 1 electron. Tritium 1 proton, neutron 2, electron 1. Write the electronic configuration of any one pairs of isotopes and isobars. C6 tallow and C614 are isotopes have the same electron configuration as 2,4 neon 1022 and neon L122 are isobars. They have different electron configuration as given below. Neon 1022 28, neon L122 281. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, exercise question answers, middle question answers, thank you.